Jag,
Jared,
and Matt
all have
5.
Wow. What's your
Me,
Thank you.
okay, now Cameron. Cameron's
I do not. But I guess I'll give you this purple one. It's the good one. Oh, or I take the blue one. Oh,
Burley.
excuse me. It was mine. Oh, this gravy is delicious. The pork. Bless you. Bless you. Thank you. Yeah.
Bless you.
Thanks.
I didn't know that.
More? Bless you. Head of household. He. Everyone else is grateful.
Yeah. I said it smelled last time. It tastes banging. That's how it smelled last time? Yeah. It's got like Southwest kind of flavor in it. Okay. Bless you. Oh, thank you. Good.
Bless you.
Thank you.
I said, hey, I'm gonna go for you, Billy.
Hey, Dad. Yeah. I was like, I recognize this mud. What up, Busy? Oh, yeah. I said, I recognize this mud. What up, Busy?
Nah.
A version where it's like 5 little circles or like a little blocks, right? You go outside, see a block, and it says either save or it says HOH. But that was only the first week. That you automatically go to the block or not. Bless you. There's a
that they fixed it. It was really nice.
Bless you.
Thank you. Oh.
Oh, being inside. Being
I
inside.
know. We're going to be in here till Friday or Saturday. That makes me just sick.
And the first few hours after it are depressing. You want an allergy pill?
I did. I took it.
Ah.
No, I'm bad on it.
Ah. Yeah, you see it? You like it? There's no more, there's a little bit of the strawberry left. I got the last one.
There's no more out there? There's a lot of bread in there.
English muffin. What's that? Regular wheat bread. Wheat bread. 3 times now, 4 times in here.
He's got allergies. He's not sick.
I'm allergic to being stubborn.
Maybe you should have one of these just in case.
Oh, that might be good.
I might have one now.
Sorry.
Might be tired.
There's a lot of bread in there.
English muffin. What's that? Regular wheat bread. Wheat bread. 3 times now, 4 times in here.
He's got allergies. He's not sick.
I'm allergic to being stubborn.
I might have one now.
Sorry.
Might be time to have one of these. Well, with all that sneezing.